Ay, hindi ako makatayo.
Bye, baby. Ingat kayo.
So, i-check na yung aking asawa ng aming flight.
Everything's on time.
On time.
Good afternoon, folks. Welcome to Chicago O'Hare International Airport.
Sa bahay mga kachababi, na-miss ko yung bahay namin. I miss our home, baby.
Home sweet home.
Hi, Kiki. I miss you, Kiki.
Love with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you.
Morning, mga kachababi. Pauwi na kami. Antok pa ako. 4:30 pa lang ng umaga. Kasi ang flight namin alas 7. So, hatid kami ni Ruby at saka ni Vugo. Ang bilis, no? 5 days lang ba kami dito? 6 days? 7 days?
Ano nga, oh.
Parang 1 week
Sabado
din.
kayo umalis, dumating eh. Sabado na ngayon.
1 week din.
Mhm.
Bilis, no?
Kaya nga,
Pero-
pararating niya lang.
Pero importante na enjoy naman namin. Tsaka masaya ng pamilya. Nagsama-sama minsan. Naantok pa ako, day. Maganda yung movie. Nanood kami ng movie.
Maganda. Maganda yung
Mortal Kombat. O maganda. Parang puro action. Alam naman,
3 na daw yun eh. Ano ba yun? 3?
2.
2? May 1 pa.
2 yun ba? The one that we watch.
Hmm?
What is that?
Smoking.
So, awin na kami kay Chupapi. Update ko na lang kay later. Ayan, madaling araw pa rin dito. Ay, doon sa amin, 6 na ng umaga. Magal na. No? Advance doon sa amin, no? Papunta kami airport.
Turned off. It's right now. There's Alaska, Hawaiian.
Dito na kami airport.
You kind of remember each other, right? How to check in and
Yeah, no worries. Everything's good. Namamako.
Ay, hindi ako makatayo.
Bye, baby. Ingat kayo. Matatagalan ulit pag tayo magkita ilang tayo na naman.
Kaya nga eh. Sana hindi masyadong matagal.
Kasi ara ko.
Okay. Maybe I cannot.
until next time.
Okay, Dad, for us? Don't let him down.
Iiwan na si Ray Ruby.
I'll make sure I'll try to keep
Let's get the medicine. It's not gonna hurt his kidneys.
Bye, Papa.
Alright, bye-bye.
you guys next time.
Ruby, take it in here.
Alright, have a safe drive back home.
Uwi na kami.
Password, okay, confirmation, ticket number. Continue. Yes. No. Print boarding pass.
What's it called? Self-checking.
This is self-checking, I guess.
Tapos na kami mag-print. Papunta na kami sa security checkpoint. So, i-check na yung aking asawa ng aming flight.
Yeah, everything's on time.
On time?
11, so
On time daw lahat. Ay, sarap! Hanggang sarap na lang. Maybe they have Dubai chocolate. No, we're going. We're going to coach! Makita yung coach na ano. So, katas lang namin sa security. Ayan. Punta na kami sa gate. Daming tao rito lagi. Daming kasi umuwi eh. So, hanapin namin yung gate namin. Naantok ako dahil. Matulog muna ako.
Continuing with Group 1 for Chicago Group 1 and U.S. military members and active duty military ID. Welcome to board. Also, any families traveling with infants.
Dito na kami. Alis na kami, mga kachupapi. Kahileran lahat ng mga aeroplano na lilipad na. Ayan, nakahilera sila. Pila-pila. Galing, no? Kachupapi. Bye, Seattle!
folks. Welcome to Chicago's O'Hare International Airport. Local time is 12:53 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain has parked at the gate, turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Keep the aisle clear while carrying items. And take a moment to check your surrounding areas for any personal items like tablets, cell phones, and chargers. Once you deplane the aircraft, you will not be allowed back on board.
Gantay na lang kami ng mga kapatid. Kasi namin nasa likod kami. So, kain muna kaming lunch. Kami na yung last. Wala nang pasayro, kami na yung last. So, pauwi na kami, mga kachupapi. Mag-eat muna tayo.
Washington trip?
I did. I enjoyed.
Hey, good.
Let's eat. Ano restroom? So, bili muna kami ng matcha latte. Dami tao.
Chocolate?
Ha?
Eat your chocolate in here?
What chocolate?
Your brownies.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna eat that one then. Mga chupapi, antay kami ng aming flight. Antay lang kami mga ilang minuto na lang. Boarding na kami. Ang asawa kong Tagalog. Ayan po yung airport nila. So, last kami. Lagi kaming last. Hello, where's your drinks? And charger.
Yeah, I got it.
Pasok na kami sa airplane. Yay! We're going home. 1 hour left. We are going home. Palit lang yung plane. Ayan ako sa barrio. We are finally going home. Oh no. My husband. Ito yung sinakyan namin mga chupapi. Oh. Maliit lang siya. Okay. We are here. We are back to Green Bay.
Very simple.
Ha?
I said the Green Bay Airport. It's very simple.
Yeah, very small. Kukunin lang namin yung car namin sa parking lot kasi pinark namin doon ng 1 linggo. Kasi ako. Maliit ang airport dito kasi papi. Kasi maliit lang tong town na to na Green Bay. Yan ang sasakyan eh. Pero malinis, mabango. May hotel. Yung asawa ko pagod na. Yes! Finally! We're home! Fresh air, beautiful life, peaceful life, not a lot of traffic. That's Paper wants. Yan ang gusto ni Paper.
Quiet. Not a lot of traffic. Low crime. Low cost.
Do you remember where you park? Finally, mga chapabi, mauwi. How many minutes to go?
45 minutes or so.
45 minutes. Medyo matagal din pala.
When it's 45, it's 45. There's no traffic to change that. In the big city, if this is 45 minutes, it could be up to 2 hours, depending on the traffic.
Oh. Where's your key? Did you grab your key? Where? Go, walk. Baby, it's not here. Oh, hold on. Ito naman, excited eh. Oh, nakuha ko tuloy pati charger mo.
Too excited.
So excited eh. Maybe I'm just gonna charge it now. Dito na kami yung kachupapi finally.
Now we'll put it in the back seat. That's the charcoal dust that you left in the garbage.
Hey baby, we should car wash our car. Oh look. Our car is ugly and dirty. Yeah. One week nakatembak yung aming sasakyan dito.
Very dusty.
Finally mga kachupapi, uwi na tayo! Baliw na. Hello baby, how am I gonna charge this one?
That's for the block charger. This is for the car. Let me see.
So mga kachupapi, pagka-travel kayo, gamitin nyo lang is green card nyo. Kung yung asawa nyo mga kachupapi, yung aking asawa kasi walang tatak ng Federal Emirate. Kaya nagbayad kami ng $45. Kaya pagka na-travel kayo inside of the United States, dalhin nyo na lang yung passport nyo. Sa mga asawa nyo na US passport holder. So dalhin nyo na lang yung US passport. Kasi yung asawa ko, akala niya yung license niya pwede ng ID, yung pala hindi. Kailangan sila ng mas ano ba yun? Kailangan may star daw, sabi nung Federal Emirate dun.
You ready?
Yeah. Why? What are you waiting for? Finally mga kachupapi, nandito nga kami sa sasakyan. So, ayun lagi natandaan yung mga kachupapi ha. Yung asawa nyo, US holder, passport, US passport holder. Bumabaliktad yung mga words ko. Tapos magta-travel kayo inside the United States, akala nyo yung license nila pwede na dalhin nyo yung ano nyo, baka mamaya yung license nyo walang star. Nagbayad tuloy yung asawa ko ng $45. So tingnan natin kung magkano yung bayad niya sa parking. Ayun mga kachupapi, pag travel kayo, dalhin nyo na lang yung US passport ng asawa nyo Para hindi na kayo hingian ng $45. Kasi yung asawa ko nakalimutan niya yung passport niya. Hindi naman namin alam na kailangan pala yun. So yun yung laging tandaan mga kachupapi. Tignan natin kung magkano yung parking. Do you think how much?
I don't know.
Let's see. 1 week kami nag-parking dito mga kachupapi. Hindi ko lang alam kung magkano. Naku. Weekly, $45. Ayun o.
Somewhere around there. It's weekly rate 45, and then it's each additional hour it's $1 or something like that. Here, let me take his receipt.
Insert your parking ticket.
Tingnan natin magkano.
Please pay for the parking fee.
Oh, 55.
Press
Not
the
bad.
receipt button to issue receipts.
So 55 yung bayad namin sa parking for 1 week. Kasi 1 week kami sa Seattle. Pero at least, thank you Lord. At nakauwi kami ng ligtas. Kahit na may turbulence sa airplane. Smooth pa rin yung pag-landing namin. Hindi nabalian yung airplane. Natatakot ako siya, papi.
Please press receipt button to issue the card information.
Mamaya na nga. Baka mamaya. Maingay ako masyado.
For your visit and have a safe drive.
Okay. All set.
Yay! Magpapakarwash lang kami ng asawa ko and then uwi na kami, pahinga na kami. Bisitahin natin si Kiki, baka ano nangyari. Ang nag-aalaga ngayon kay Kiki is si Honey, yung aking stepdaughter. So tignan natin kung it's been a long ikakwento ko na lang sa inyo mga kachupapi pagka nakauwi na kami. Ngayon mag-focus muna kami sa drive na mga kachupapi. Mga kachupapi, ang dami ng aming car oh. So magpapakarwash na kami. Nandito na kami ngayon sa Quick Trip. Tingnan natin kung mayroong car wash.
They have one car wash.
Oh, they have.
Some of the big ones, they have two.
Yeah.
So it's just one.
Ito ang gusto ni Paper. Tahimik. Yan, gusto niya. Walang tao. Alam mo yung mga kachupapi, parang walang iistorbo sa kanya. Ganun. Yan ang gusto niya. Oo, di ba? Walang pila. Ayan ang gusto niya, kachupapi.
Close the window.
Baka mamaya pumasok yung ano. Why? Oo. Sinasara niya ang aking asawa. Pagod na yung asawa ko dahil. Halatang halata sa itsura eh. Pagod ang lolo mo.
Imagine the car's been parked there for a year and then you come back. What do you think it looks like?
Are you sure we're allowed na to
Huh?
go?
You pay first, and when that guy's done, you go in.
Ayan o, $15 B. Do you want $15?
No, I usually do the $12 one.
Yeah,
It's good
okay.
enough.
Okay, and please remove your card. All right, please make your selection. Now, please select one of the following options. Now, please select one of the following options. Wait just a second.
What's Elite B?
Just pull forward into the
That means their best version, but I've
Oh.
already tried it. It's not that big of a difference.
What about $15? What is it?
Not that big of a difference. They just add like a little bit of wax and shine to it, but I don't even know the difference. I can't even see the difference. The $12 one is the perfect one. It's right in the middle. It uses all the washing soap and chemicals properly, and it rinses properly, so it's fine.
Okay.
Never had a problem with it.
Okay. It's done.
I guess if you're doing it in the snow, it's good to use the more expensive one because they have some salt blaster and protector in it.
Oh.
I used to do that too, but I still got rust anyway, so I was just like, forget it. I'll turn on AC.
Yeah, turn on the AC. Tingnan mo, super dumi oh. Diba? Nakapark kasi siya sa labas eh. Okay, he's done. We are next. Uy!
That's just water.
Okay. Si Maha!
You guys have this in the Philippines?
I don't remember.
I don't even remember seeing that. Maybe not.
Meron kaming ano, we have car wash. Like this, I remember I saw.
Okay. Don't open it.
Parang bubble gum oh, no?
You can open the shade, but not the window. We're gonna take a shower.
Excuse me. Baby, I thought you were gonna buy me ano, car wash.
Car wash soap?
Yeah,
Why don't we go
and the
back?
leather.
Why don't we go back to gas station or auto shop? I'll find it and then I'll show it to you.
So mga kachupapi, car wash dito sa Wisconsin, $12, $15 na yung pinakamahal.
That way you can do it by hand. You don't want to use soap. Because soap is not good for the clear coat and the paint on cars.
Yeah.
You're gonna make it dull and it's gonna start chipping. So these kind of soap is specifically made for the car, so it's not gonna hurt or damage the paint.
Oh. Maybe when we get back here, I feel relief.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe because much more safety. Safe. Is it called? Safe place. You know?
Safe place?
Yeah.
Yes. Safe place? Yes.
Kasi katsuhay pag nasa city ako, para akong natatakot. Alam mo yung asong nakulong ng matagal, tapos pinakawalan, mukhang ano, parang asong gala. Yung, alam mo yun, takbo ng takbo, ganon. Parang ganon ako. There's a water club on that thing. No? There's no water on the bottom?
Just around the car. Some car washes have like the undercarriage where they spray underneath too, but not this one. This one doesn't have it. But most of the time you don't really need it. Only for during the snow season, then you want to wash underneath too. But
Tada!
during the summer,
Maybe,
you don't need it.
maybe. Yeah, guys, on the bottom.
Well, no, it doesn't spray underneath. They're on the outside.
Bihira lang namin i-car wash tong ano, car. Ewan ko mga kachupapi, bakit? Bihira lang. Siguro titipid.
Bakit?
Nagtitipid yata ng pera yung asawa ko. Wala na yata ng pera. Ay.
Rinsing one more time. Let's rinse it nice and clean. It's gonna be good as new.
Why there's still soap?
It's rinsing one more time.
Oh, I think it's done now.
And now it's time to dry.
Stop. Okay, drive ahead. Oh, ano na, sa blower na tayo, Day. Malapit na tayo, patapos na tayo, kachupapi. Nag-uurungan na yung, ang ganda. Di ba malinis na yung ating car? Wala na alikabok. Sa loob na lang. Tired. Hindi ba may pag-uwi natin, maglilinis pa tayo ng bahay. When we get home, we're gonna clean our house. Oh, where are you going back?
The window.
Oh. Ang ganda na. Malinis na yan.
Brand new.
Brand new na?
Yeah. You wanna see real quick?
No, I'm good. I don't wanna go outside. I'm ready to go home. Let's go, mga chupapi!
Brand
I miss Kiki na already.
Miss Kiki already?
Kiki
boy.
Malinis na yung ating car. Mukhang brand new kahit pang third hand na. Anyway, mga chupapi, let's go home! We are going home, mga chupapi. Malinis na yung ating car. We are almost home, mga chupapi. Lapit na kami sa bahay, mga chupapi. Na-miss ko yung bahay namin. I miss our home, baby.
Our home, sweet home. The most beautiful house on the block.
Plingera, kahit hindi naman.
It really is. I'm not just saying it. It is. It's the most beautiful house on the block.
Plingera.
Ang ganda.
Ang ganda daw. Mga chupapi. Cute lang yung aming house. Nagagandahan din ako. Kaya, simple lang siya sa labas, di ba?
It's the most unique house too. My house is the only one that has a metal roof.
Oh, di ba? Nako.
The grass is getting long. I have to mow it maybe tomorrow.
Nagtutubuan na naman yung ano, yung mga puno. Ayan na.
Well, I don't have the remote, so I can't park in the garage.
I don't think honey is there.
I don't know. Maybe, maybe not.
Okay, we're
I'll get the remote so I can park in the garage while we go inside.
Oh, get your phone.
Alright, let's go.
Yes! I miss our home. Namiss ko rin si Kiki. Grab it. Grab all the things that we need. Naka-wash na oh. Oh, at least malinis na oh. May mga gas-gas lang ng konti, pero okay lang.
It's new again. It's
Yeah.
so shiny.
Shiny na. Kaya lang may ano eh. Nag-start na yung... Ba't inuuntong na yung ulo mo? Ay, ay, ay. Nag-start na yung raso, makachupapi. I don't think honey is there. Ay! We have a tulips!
Ah, they're growing.
Ito yung tulips,
I didn't even
makachupapi.
know when they got there.
Diba? Hi, Kiki Pumpurot! Nga! Get it? Oh, diba? Simple lang yung aming bahay dito, mga kachupab. I think honey is not here.
Let's go in the front. Let's go in the front.
Okay, go. Go first.
To open one door.
I think honey is not here yet.
Somebody else didn't pick this one.
Yeah.
The wind couldn't have blown it.
Ayan, simple lang yung bahay namin, mga kachupapi, no? Tignan natin kung malinis ba ang bahay, kung nilinis ba ni Honey or hindi, or inalagaan ba si Kiki, or tignan natin kung buto-buto na si Kiki, or ano, humihinga pa ba si Kiki. There you go. Ang linis ng bahay. Honey's back? OMG. Medyo makalat ang ating bahay. Hi! We're back, mga kachupapi. Nandito si Kiki. Pinakain ba si Kiki? Tika nga. Oh, I told you he's not here.
She can come by later and get her stuff. Her blow-up bed is in there. And then she can clean up too, her mess. So I'll go move the car.
Hi, Kiki. I miss you, Kiki. Okay. How are you? Makalat yung aming bahay, Ki. Makalat siya, Day. Di yata kami nakapaglinis bago umalis. Nakalimutan ko na. Hanggang dito lang ang ating vlog, mga kachupapi, kasi lilinisin ko muna yung aming bahay bago ako magpahinga. Hindi ako makakapagpahinga na ito eh. May OCD rin ako. Anyway, mga kachupapi, thank you for watching! God bless!